You guys see that red flashy light? It's the story of our life. We're sitting here waiting to get unloaded. Our appointment was 8. This is a floor load, so it is 9. Can you see that? The camera focus on 9:30. So not bad. They're about done with it. And do you see that place right over there? Check it out. Y'all see that? That's our next pickup. How cool is that? It is right across the road from where we are. So, I don't have the mic on this camera. We're just shooting. I think this camera's audio is okay, but it picks up a lot of other noises, you know? So, the audio is a lot. It's crap. We won't use it, but yeah, we unloading here. A Big Rock Sporting Goods Distribution Center. I don't know who their actual name is. And some guy's gonna ask me, why is your lights on the dock? Well, because I run the trailer lights. I have to have the marker lights on to run the trailer lights. So that pickup across the road is not scheduled to pick up till 3. So we're gonna have a few hours downtime, but it might be ready early. That's actually it's just right there, so we're going to drive over there and find out. But I may drop the pan on this tri-pack today and get to the low pressure valve and see if I can put some Freon on it. But I've already called the shop. Got her lined up to go in Chattanooga shop first thing Wednesday morning. So this side of the trailer has a bunch of swirl marks in it. You can't see, except for a certain angle when you look at it. You can see it, especially with the sun hitting it. But anyway, we gotta get this old girl to out west and get her shined up. Man, she needs polishing bad. She needs polishing. And I need some tire juice on there. We might throw some tire juice, even though we got dirty in the rain yesterday. We may throw some tire juice on it, just to make it look a little better. Anyway, I have a feeling this wind is killing y'all. We'll see you in a bit. Oh, good morning from Petro. Is this Carnesville, Georgia? Just got finished up with our pre-trip. Trying to decide which way I should go out of here. I don't want to go right. I probably should have backed out. These guys, I should have probably backed out, you know. Be easier on my trailer than doing this hard left. Where I parked at was fine. Just all these guys parked on the curb, you know. Make it I probably could have cleared that, but why risk it, you know? Anyway, I want to show you guys something. We spent the night here in Petro in Carnesville. It's about 64 miles away from where I deliver. And I want you guys to look right there. It's a Blue Beacon truck wash. And we did not wash the truck. Can you believe that? So we are going to go over here and unload this heavy load of, I think we got mortar mix for like tile. It's going to a tile company. I think we have bags of mortar mix, different colors. So anyway, we're going to go over here to Alpharetta and make this delivery, and then it is 100 and I think it said 104 miles home from there. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go home because the tri-pack needs its air conditioning fixed. You know, we slept good the last 2 nights. Well, I shouldn't say last 2 nights. Last night we slept good. It was nice and cool over here in Georgia. Got down to 60 degrees. So didn't really need air conditioning. Sunday night in North Carolina, it was in the 70s.
Head northwest on JF Shirley Road.
You know, we as Americans are spoiled.
In 400 feet, turn left onto JF Shirley Road.
But I slept okay, you know.
Turn left onto JF Shirley Road.
Thought I just put you on mute. Why are you still speaking? So anyway, so that's the plan. And today is Tuesday. We got the shop scheduled for Wednesday. I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to keep working because the rates out here are crazy. Because that stinking blitz going on. I don't know what's wrong with drivers. Ain't nothing coming. We're gonna go. They act like they're afraid of the DOT blitz, man. That never has bothered me.
Turn left onto Georgia 51 East.
In 700 feet, turn left on.
I got nothing to hide. Come on. So anyway, I just wanted you guys to see that we drove right past the Blue Beacon truck wash. And right now it's prime time washing time because it's 60. Everything and the truck's been sitting all night, so everything was cold. And it would have worked out great.
Turn left onto Georgia 51 East.
Yeah, I've got you on mute and you're still speaking. How is that possible? I'm gonna throw you in timeout. Throw you back there in the sleeper and use you as an alarm clock or something because you make a lot of noise.
In 1,000 feet, slight right.
Y'all hear her? She's still talking.
South Rim.
I'm telling you, she's on mute. I'm having a fight with my...
In 1,000 feet, take
See, I run two,
85 south.
and I always mute one of them. I say, why you run two? Well, you got the one in the truck, and you got the one in the dash, blah, blah, blah. Okay.
500 feet, take the entrance to the right on I-85.
Hey guys, so apparently we didn't do much filming on that load after we picked it up. Spent the night at Petro, which you guys just saw that, and then came home. It was about a 100-mile deadhead home. So we came home and then put the truck in the shop the next day for the tri-pack. Got her fixed. So tri-pack's fixed. Everything's good to go. And now we are picking up our load going to Fife, Washington. Should make for some good video footage. So we'll see you on the way to Washington. Be safe. Well, I tried to hit the end button, it didn't work. So give me a thumbs up. Since we're still here, give me a thumbs up. Like it, share, subscribe, touch the little bell. You guys will get notifications when we put a video up. And once again, thanks for watching. Try this again. See ya.